Let us derive the lens formula in case of convex lens creating real image. Now look at here, we already did in previous video how we derive it. Look at here. Now you take the triangle, you see triangle ABO, you see triangle ABO is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABO and triangle A dash B dash O. A dash B dash O. Both are similar. Why? Here it is 90 degree opposite angle. So two angles are same of both the triangles satisfied. So both are similar. If both are similar, take the ratio of their sides AB by A dash B dash equal to AB by A dash B dash equal to AO by A dash O. AB by A dash B dash equal to AO by A dash O. Equation 1. Again look at here. OKF is a right angle triangle. Triangle OKF and triangle A dash B dash F are similar. Look at here. Triangle OKF and triangle A dash B dash F similar. 90 degree opposite angle. So when similar, OK ratio of the side OK by A1B A dash B dash equal to OF by A dash F. Equation 2. Again see OK by A dash B dash equal to OF by A dash F. Compare two equations. AB equal to OK. AB is parallel to OK. AB equal to OK. Look at here. Since AB equal to OK. Since AB equal to OK. So equation 2 becomes AB by A dash B dash equal to OF by A dash F. Are you clear? Compare equation 1 and 2. In 1, AB by A dash B dash, AO by A dash O. In 2, OK by A dash B dash. See AB equal to OK, AB equal to OK. So in place of OK, I place AB. So now equation 2 becomes equation 3. AB by A dash B dash equal to OF by A dash F. Look at the equation 3. Look at the equation 1. LHS are same, so RHS should be same. In 1 and 3, the LHS is same, so RHS is also same. Then compare the RHS. RHS of 1, AO by A dash O equal to RHS of 3, OF by A dash F. RHS of 1 equal to RHS of 3 because LHS is same. So AO by A dash O equal to OF by A dash F. AO by A dash F equal to OF by A dash F. Look at here AO. Here look the figure. A is the object point, O is the optical center. AO is the object distance minus U because sign convention. Left hand side U is at left hand side. I am taking minus U. When it is in left hand side, the U is taken as negative. A dash O, where? This is A dash, this is O. The image is at the right hand side. So take plus V equal to OF. OF is the focal length plus F. A1F. Add 1 A dash F. U. A dash F is A dash O minus OF. You distribute A dash F, A dash O minus OF. Are you clear? A dash F, A dash to F is total A dash O minus OF. Then minus U by V equal to F. A dash O, A dash to O is image distance V, right hand side positive. OF is focal length F. Then cross multiply. This is the equation number 4. Look at here. Cross multiply. Minus UV plus UF equal to VF. Then divide UVF, minus UV by UVF plus UF by UVF equal to VF by UVF. In equation 2, cross multiplication, minus U into B minus UB, minus U into minus F plus UF, B into F. So this is equation 5. Then divide UVF, left hand side and right hand side divide UVF. UV will be cancel, minus 1 by F plus UFF cancel, 1 by V equal to VF cancel, 1 by U. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, which is the Lenz formula. Mark it. Minus 1 by F comes to one side, 1 by U comes to one side. So 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the derivation in case of convex lens when image is real. So case 1. This is case 1 for real image. In next class we do the derivation for virtual image in case of convex lens.